12:38, April 11th. Back my second trip down here to the Y, the demolition of the Y. My last trip was on Friday, and they've made quite a significant little dent from the previous day, from Friday. I don't know if they did anything over the weekend. I didn't come out here over the weekend. You can see in the front here they have a lot of the conduits, and I see wire hanging out, so they're probably going to pull the wire out of the conduits, because that's retrievable, recyclable. I'll walk all the way around. I did a little reading about Washington Square and the YMCA's over the weekend. This Washington Square was in one of the initial plots by Antoine Leclerc when they plotted out the city of Davenport back in the 1840s, I believe. And this particular site this particular section was specifically targeted for a recreation area, and it was the German population came down and want to look over here. Look at all that mess. The Germans kind of adopted the site, and they did a lot of German activities in the square. And there's you can see all the way through. You can see all the way through there. They made quite progress over the weekend. I don't know if they did anything on the weekend. In the center of the Washington Square, they had a statue. It was called Lady of Germania, and there's a replica of that in front, by the front entrance, or like they call the gateway, coming in from the Centennial Bridge. I'll walk past that and show it to you as well. Haven't done anything to do the front, or the 3rd Street part. Obviously they're working from 2nd Street back. Whoa, boy. They dug into this side. They didn't have that one. They really got into that. I don't know if they did that on Friday or if they were coming in here on the weekends and did work or not. Quite progress. By the end of the week, I imagine this will be torn down. I'll come down, try to come down every day, check the progress. the original YMCA was opened on Labor Day in 1909 on 4th and Harrison Street. That was for YM, for the young men. That's where the Davenport Police Station is right now. And then in February 1964, they combined the YMCA and YWCA, and it was dedicated here Labor Day 1964. We combined men's and the women's. Right here is a replica of the statue they had in the center of the square. Lady of Germania, it was called. Obviously from Germany, from the German population. Yeah, they made quite the progress since Friday, since I was here. Wish I would have been here when that roof fell down. That would have been nice to watch. Okay, well, that's about it, what they've done since Friday. I'll come back tomorrow, the day after, and see how they progress during the week.